Capital and revenue. As we know, in every business transaction, either there is an inflow of money or an outflow of money. In order to know the true and fair result and financial condition of a business for a year, the nature of the transaction taking place during the year has to be analyzed. Transactions may be divided into two classes according to their character: capital transactions and revenue transactions. Some transactions have long-term effect, while some others have short-term effect. Transactions having long-term effects are known as capital transactions. Those having short-term effects are known as revenue transactions. For example, a building is used for long time, so purchase of building is capital transaction. In the same way, stationery are made for day-to-day use and are consumed in a short time. A purchase of stationery is a revenue transaction. Thus, we can say the transactions, the effect of which is not exhausted within the current accounting year or the benefit of which is received by the business for a number of years are called capital transactions. On the other hand, the transactions, the effect of which is exhausted within the current accounting years or the benefit of which is received by the business within a year are called revenue transactions.